or in Chang'an is have
Okay.
you when you it have like one of the cave. It's like the cave, but you can come to inside that. You can see some history.
Okay. Cool. That sounds good.
Oh.
That sounds good.
It's very interesting with
Okay.
a lot of pictures.
Okay. Sounds good.
They make it by wood, by the wood.
Okay.
It's from very long time ago here, and in Chang'an it have the mountain from millions of years ago. It is very beautiful place, and
It's very beautiful.
yeah,
Very, very beautiful.
and it is the most famous place in Ninh Bình too.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
it is more famous than Tam Cốc.
Really? Okay.
But in Tam Cốc it is more crowded.
Okay. Where would you recommend that we should go from here over the next couple of days?
You mean Chang'an?
Other cities.
Oh, you want to come one of the city?
Yeah.
To travel?
Or any town or city or village.
Wait, I think you can come to Hải Phòng.
Haiphong.
Yeah,
We were there yesterday.
you went there yesterday.
Yeah.
Um,
Maybe in the south.
but if you go to Nam Định, it is have some beach there too. It have one of the beach called. I'm not really remember the name. Thing Long. It's called Thing Long.
Okay.
Thing Long, and there it is not really famous, but it have the good food. It have the
Okay.
good food there.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to Da Nang next.
Oh yeah, on Nha Trang.
Mm.
How do you go to Da Nang?
We are taking the sleeping train.
Oh,
Do you know it?
when will you come there?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Maybe I will meet you there.
Okay, we can go surfing.
Oh, because my house is near the train station.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's very very near.
Okay.
Do you buy the train tickets?
Yeah, we have.
Oh,
We have.
do you know the number of the train?
No, we don't know.
Is that in the morning or
I'm not sure.
in the evening?
I think in the evening.
Oh, in the evening is a good time. I will come there.
Okay.
I go to there to practice my English every week.
Okay, that's very good.
But there's so hot.
It's so hot. It's so hot. You're very good.
No,
You're the best English speaker I've met so far.
thank you, but I have to learn it every day.
No, you're very good.
I have to practice it.
It's good.
And at the train station, if you come to there and inside don't have any air because no it's opening, you can come outside. It will be cooler.
Okay. It sounds like a good plan. Do you have any tips for learning a new language? I'm
Sorry?
trying to learn French.
How do you learn?
How do you learn?
I learned it from my school and at my teacher home.
Okay.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
I can
Oui.
speak a little bit French.
Okay, you're good.
Just 3 words.
You're good.
What do you know in French?
Merci beaucoup, and bonjour.
Bonjour.
That's good.